Now that you know what a sequence is, now we can start writing rules of the sequences. The first thing you have to determine, though, is whether our function, or I'm sorry, our sequence is arithmetic or geometric. Notice I said arithmetic. This is not arithmetic. That's how you're used to see it. Arithmetic just means adding and multiplying and subtracting. A sequence is arithmetic. Tomorrow in class, let's see who says arithmetic. If they do, that means they didn't do their homework. And everybody in the class, you go, oh, okay, so do that for me. That means, oh, you didn't do your homework, because I'm telling you now, it is arithmetic. Oh my gosh, I just said it wrong. Arithmetic, I mean. All right, we do, on page 223, you're going to see a formula here. And a sub n in this formula just stands for the nth term. So whatever we want n to be goes there. That's how we're going to label our function that we're writing, just like how you see this one. So the only two things we need are a sub 1, which you know should be the first term in the sequence. And then you need d, which is going to be the difference, not the distance, as I said before. So you just need those two things, and then you just fill out the formula, and there's your rule. Okay, so in example 1 here that I have, if my instructions were to write the rule, it would be a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the difference, which would be minus 2, times n minus 1. So if I was asked for the, let's say, 10th term, I could find it easy. I would just plug 10 in for n, and that would be 4 minus 2 times 9. You do have to know order of operations, which would be 4 minus 18 would be negative 14. So negative 14 would be my 10th term of this sequence. So that's one way your question could be given to you. Another way is like how you see in number 2, where you have to find the difference first. So I'm thinking that it's to add 3, and it looks like it is. So I know that a sub 1 is 1, and my difference in this case is 3. So my rule is going to look like this. A sub n equals 1 plus 3 times n minus 1. Again, if I was asked for a specific term, I could find it really easy. Okay, now would be a good time to do a pause and play. I would pause, work numbers 5 and 6, and then go back and play and see how you did. So what we want to do here is write the nth term. So I'm looking for a sub n, and a sub 1 is going to be 3 in this case. My difference looks like it's going to be 6. So I'm going to use 6 times n minus 1, and therefore there's my rule. This question also asked me to solve for a sub 20. So I'm going to plug 20 in for n. So then this would be 6 times 19. And so that would be 3 plus 114. So my 20th term is 117. What happens over here in number 6 when I write my rule is my difference is actually going to be a negative number. So it would be negative 5. So I'm going to use 8 minus 5 times n minus 1. So when I solve a sub 20, okay, so that would be minus 95. Oops. And 8 minus 95 is negative 87. Okay, and that would be the 20th term of that sequence. Now you may want to stop and play again. You can use in your textbook, if you want help on number 10, you can use example 4 on page 420. Otherwise, you can just kind of follow through what we're doing here. And in this case, we have 2 situations where I don't have an a sub 1 or a d. That means I have to find it with the given information I have. So what I'm going to do is just set up what I know. So in the a sub n formula, let's do a sub 8. So 59, which is a sub 8, is equal to a sub 1 plus d times 8 minus 1 would be 7. So this formula is 59 equals a sub 1 plus 7d. And then what we're going to do is set up the same thing for a sub 13. So it'll be 99 equals a sub 1 plus d times 13 minus 1, which would be 12. So this would be 99. And then, guys, we have a system of equations. Then 99 equals a sub 1. Okay, so what that means is I can multiply one of these by negative 1. So I'd have a negative 59 negative a sub 1 minus 7d, in which case that cancels out. 99 minus 59 would be 40, is equal to 5d. So I found d pretty easily. D is going to be 8. Now I can take that d and plug it back into one of these equations. It doesn't matter which one. So I'm going to use the first one to find a sub 1, and that says d times 7 plus 56, so a sub 1 is 3. Now I have enough information to write my rule. So a sub n would be equal to 3 plus 8 times n minus 1. What I'd like for you to do is try number 11 on your own. Bring that to class tomorrow so we can talk about it. Good luck.